Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make smooth slow motion video on CapCut. So here I've already added a video to my CapCut, and what you can do first is that you can split the video to where you want to slow mo. So I'm going to split it in here. Click on the video and click on split, and after that go to speed and choose normal and set the speed into 0.4x. Okay, and then click on the check icon, and after that just split the video into the durations that you like. For example, okay, I'm going to split in here. I'm going to delete this part and the ending part, and after that click on the video again and click on speed again, choose normal and click on make it smoother like this, like in here. Click on this and click on better quality, and then click on the check icon. So now the smooth slow motion applying, and you can just wait until it finish. Okay, so now the smooth slow motion has been applied, and let's see the result. Okay, I'm going to mute the clip first, sorry. Okay, so that is how you can make smooth slow motion video on CapCut. I hope this video would be helpful to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.